I'm very much happy with the incident of this presentation. I'm K.H. Shastri, worked in defense for about 20 years. I took a retirement in voluntary retirement in 1980. During my services, I had undergone a special course of called Biological War Weaponry System. It's a biological war. Today, what you see presently in the modern world or modern defense systems, you find only nuclear weapons, something like a laser and something like other weaponry system, which is very much advanced in to counter the enemy or to attack the enemy. So these are all the present methods. Now tomorrow, the war strategy will not be today's strategy. The strategy is they simply explode a normal virus or release the virus. Such a virus, it is just like a Corona-19 virus. It is, as everyone knows about it, China has already launched it about 2 years back. Now, you know its reactions all over the world. Many people lost their life and many people lost their thick contents. It is not that everyone knows about what is this virus, but they don't know how to counter it. The countering is the main part. Any disease, you can get some relief out of it or cure it. But this virus cannot be cured, and it takes time. So the present war strategies will be with like this modern method, like a chemicals. They spray the chemical, and such a chemical, once it is sprayed, it covers around 100 kilometers to 200 kilometers or 500 kilometers. Wherever this virus spreads, the entire area, people find breathing problem and they cannot survive. And after 2-3 days, most of the people will die. This is a chemical war. But chemical war can be encountered by a different method, and you can save some of the people. This virus problem, it's very, very, very difficult. And you know very well, this Corona-19 virus has been spread to a number of countries. Till today, no one has found out the remedy for it. But the doctors are severely fighting against that with their old experience and with their past experience while treating different diseases. Of course, their duty is to fight against and do something, and they're sacrificing their life also towards this epidemic disease. You call it as a situation. There's no other way. They are finding the different methods, different systems to cure the corona. I took this challenge somewhere in 1985, and I have been working on this biological war weaponry system. It is not a normal science. It is an extraordinary science and very difficult to achieve this particular results on this particular biological war. And I have been selected among 5,000 people. I'm the only man who was selected for this course. Probably, maybe my present, you call it as my memory or whatever it is. I'm lucky enough, and I'm sure that particular subject knowledge can be properly utilized by me. That is the reason they have given me a special training. Now this particular subject, it needs a lot of chemical knowledge, lot of viral knowledge, lot of engineering science, and lot of other sciences which cannot be expressed. It is in the form of hydrogen and oxygen, and many number of systems are supposed to be present in this. Whereas I was forced to leave the service in 1980 because I took this challenge that I shall do something. I should find out a way out how to fight against this particular biological war. So I have been doing different scientific evaluations and all, but unfortunately we have a deficiency of testing agencies in India. We are not in a position to get any backup from the Indian sources because of this science is a very advanced science, very difficult to get it evaluated. Because of this, it took around 35 years to 40 years for me to evaluate and eradicate the viruses present in the particular system. Now, finally, after many modifications, I could win over this device, that is viral control. And the virus is much stronger than a bacteria and microbiology. You can call it as a strongest enemy. This virus cannot be just controlled like that. Now, luckily, I call it as with all my available present testing agencies like a CCMB and Viral Lab in Pune and other places, I got it evaluated, I got it tested, and finally, my product called Pure Prana. So this is the one I have named it, and it is an invention of this decade, or you call it as on today, there is no one who can devise such a device which has the ability and the capability to fight against virus. And this particular product has been subjected to a toughest, or you call it as a very high level way of testing in CCMB. It took about 2 to 3 months. They evaluated it and found very good results. 98% controlled the coronavirus, and we have specially requested them to test it on the coronavirus only. It is not that simply going again with a bacteria, virus and all, that is a different issue. Only coronavirus. So they are, in South India, they are the only people who can evaluate such tests. Now finally, I got the test report, that is, in 45 minutes, around 98%, because that equipment has only 45 minutes evaluation system. So further, if you just use it for another 10-15 minutes, it will be 100%. So 98% is not a normal thing. It's a great achievement. So with this, my morale has been boosted, and the product also has gained a very good name. And as it is, the product is already doing the same activity. We have tested on more than 100 to 150 people. Everyone recovered from coronavirus. And it is the only device as on today which can save the lives of the people who are affected with the corona. It is the only device which can give you the special oxygen system, or you can call it as a oxygen generator. It supplies to the patient immediately after this installation of this equipment, and it gives immediate oxygen, that is called sterile oxygen. It is not a normal oxygen. So this also helps the patient to get recovered faster. At the same time, this has a special effect on the patient. Suppose a patient has got affected with this corona, for example. This corona has a special effect. First it enters from the nostrils, from the nose, it goes into the throat, and in the throat it remains for 4 to 5 days. So during these 4 or 5 days, patient gets some sort of, you can call it as symptoms. One symptom is losing sensation of the smelling, taste losing, and fever, and vomiting, and plus loose motions, many number of symptoms you can find. But once any person who finds this sort of or suffers from this, if he reacts immediately, takes this pure prana treatment just for 2 hours, morning, 2 hours in the evening, he can recover fast and no need of going to the hospital, no need of going to any other treatment. In the event, if the patient is not in a position to alert himself up to 4 days or 5 days, when by the time it enters into the lungs, once it goes into the lungs, it plays a havoc in the human body, creates a heavy infection, and this infection blocks the entire operation of the lungs. It will not allow the patient to breathe the air properly. So he will suffer with a heavy, you call it as he cannot breathe, or he suffers from a breathing. He cannot get the proper oxygen. So in such cases, there is no other way or no alternative. He has to go to the hospital and take assistance of the ventilator and take the assistance of the doctors. So that is the second stage or third stage. And after that, it all depends on the patient condition, whether he recovers or he don't recover. But in such cases, there are only 10% of recovery, but 90% is a very dangerous situation. So why we should go into such situations? Why not we take this product into our family or in the family members? There may be 5 to 4 members, and everybody can get treated with this product. Can get safe. You can call it as a safety method or safety device, or you call it as a total security for the family. So this way, one can safeguard the entire corona effect. There is no medicine as on today. Take it granted. If there is any medicine, if there are any doctors over here, please tell me. Yes, there is a medicine. I will counter it. Is there any medicine available for this? Anyone who knows about for a corona medicine, corona treatment? No. So why not we think of this pure prana as one of the medicine, advanced medicine? It is not a medicine. It is a direct punch onto the patient and he gets recovered faster. There is no medicine. It is not called a medicine. It is something like a relief, giving a relief to a patient. And instead of going into the hospital, going into a different organizations, losing lakhs of rupees and crores of rupees and losing their life finally, why not you think about this product to get into your family members? I request everyone to take care of this product. We have not come here to make money out of it. We have come here to save the world or to save our own Indians. We would like to save everyone in India. First, let me give a priority to India. Then we go to the other countries. So, let us do something to the humanity. Let us do something to our family members. We are not here to make money out of it. We are here and we have priced it very, very, very low. This is supposed to be more than 1 lakh. But whereas we have brought it to, say about around 30,000 rupees. This is nothing. And you go to hospital, for only testing purposes, they charge you more than 40 to 50,000 rupees. Think of it. Definitely, once you become a patient in the hospital, you are supposed to pay all the testing charges, whether you have any disease, whether you have disease or not, to identify, to evaluate. Do you have to pay not less than 30 to 25 to 30,000 only for testing? Why not you take this and keep it in your house? And also it works like a sterilizer, biosterilization. Let me come back to you on this issue. Biological war system, as on today, there is no scientist who has capacity to think about this biological war system as on today. There are so many countries, even Russia, America, Japan, Germany, China. No one has found out the method for the biological war weapon. I am the first man, I am the only man who has won this prize. Later on, whoever comes, he is the second person. I want to address to all the press media. It is not that we have come here only just to do something normal. Please Please, I request every media people, do something to the humanity, do something to the people, do something to your next friends, family, and other people. I have hosted more than 40 to 50 press conferences. Never I was emotional on this. I had different products. I have done it, and I know what a media can do. Please, I request all media people, come with your own energetic property. You forget about for a while that you are a professional in particular deep field. Try to help your people. I don't want you to write something good on my product. You write reality about this product. We don't want to promote the product through you. We want to promote the human safety through you. I don't know how to address in this particular field, but I can request that all the press conferences people, that please do something to the humanity. Save the people. Now we are in a dangerous position at this moment. Now Corona, second wave has come, third wave has already come, and Delta has already come, Delta Plus has already come. Now Delta Plus is very difficult to get rid of it. Only my system only can get rid of it. And this is my challenge. Whoever proves that it doesn't work, I'll pay back 100 times of this equipment. This is my challenge on my equipment. It is not that I have developed it for the sake of money. I have developed it for the safety of the humankind. Thank you very much, sir. That's all.